Wickedness, evil spirits. I love that song. Jogo Rita come out and be you are a bad boy, you are a wicked somebody, every. I just make I just go spiritual mode just now.
No try.
Oh, baby, tell me what's up. I like the calculate parts. You heard the lyrics for that song.
Yeah.
This is a Harry song and
what's up? Yeah.
What's Adams?
VJ Adams, yeah.
Yeah. You know, but we will play the song. We'll see groove out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Late Night Show. Now, you drum now. You know the drum again. And of course, now your boy OGBOLOR Ogbolor, and of course DJ Easy Beast on the wheels of steels. Yeah, you know. What's up? All right, so welcome all of you to come to the Late Night Show once again. And of course, today, you're going to wonder how we take dress on our hip-hop mode, even if our hip-hop must still get touch of Ankara and everything. You know, you see they represent our Africanness and all the things. They say we must do it, so we'll not get shoes. But you see, I can't notice my... You know,
so it be, right from
the one. It not be so it be before.
Ask Edewo.
No, Edewo. Why would they ask Edewo, this guy thing?
Your guy?
My guy, but not that kind of guy. No, Easy Be, stop this thing. I don't question your sexuality these days. It's not too right.
Yeah, you really ask me, say, why you're waiting on flat? Ask Edewo.
Okay, now, Trisha, why I even ask you in the
You understand? You know your sound right.
I go ask the chicks, then we go enter this, show later, well, at least. I go fit bear the whole thing, come out and, just strip on the show because anything can happen on the Late Night Show.
Straight up.
Jeez. Okay, so we get some very, very beautiful ladies in the building that go join us. One very crew. I know we mentioned their name right now, but they're not appear for almost all the video. Where they this country, even home and abroad and everywhere. Yes, home and abroad and everywhere. Yes, we are home and abroad. Home and abroad now. You know, but they do things.
They dance for home video.
They dance for home video. They go burial. Not be joke. They dance fire pieces. But seriously, on a more serious note, some of the making sense chicks them where they always appear for musical videos, and of course we celebrate them and make us carry them come the show for today. Make them come do some kind of things, and of course tell us the new project when they get on ground and all that. And of course we get some other youngie who follow us do some kind of things on top, show yourself. Okay, so when I sit back, relax, we'll catch fun. You know, when ladies there in the building, you know, say the show they change. And the stamina, Easy Beat always do on that high remote and things. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax. Show don't start. They come back. Easy Beats. All right, so as much as y'all be like this now, we are going to enter the cocoa of the day.
Straight up.
I'm the cocoa.
Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa.
Oh, yeah.
Make a tell them the cocoa. 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 When you see how you like, we just use the magic. You say,
You're not to enter like that today.
Oh, you're not to.
Get the feel we're not to do on point.
We go get them right.
Anyway, we'll get it right. All right, so now the cocoa of the day. Cocoa number one. We get 3 cocoa today.
3 cocoa.
3 cocos today. 3 cocos today. All right, so the cocoa number one. First, so you know, say sometimes they do this what they call match fixing. Match fixing.
Okay.
Say, footballers go play match.
Okay.
At the same time, so they just go collect money for back. Say we go spoil our own match. Just so now, just win.
We'll just sell them.
You sell the match and all that. Don't be the carry waka for some particular footballers go do their own thing. Now they say, come on. First match they play, they lose. They flog their pieces. Second match, they lose. They flog their pieces. Reach the 9th match. Now our guys say them, oh yeah, make all players come here. Lie detector, straight, everybody. They test them one by one. On outside the match.
Lie detector.
Lie detector, they put that for your body, put your kite for your body. Did you say the match? Yes or no? You can't talk. If you say yes, the thing will read whether you lie or not. So they do for all the players, whether they go sell their own match. See how now they just lose 9 matches back to back. Now evil spirit, they worry all of them.
They swear for that.
I mean, they swear for it. So all of them now they undergo the whole thing, and I feel that technology will carry Wakanta the whole thing. And for ZEC second division since now this whole thing happen like this. FG Banik. Yeah. But as it be, wait, come, but on a good day, based on football things now, even if now you self, your club lose 9 different times on top compete. Neither you cancel all the players come out to, or something has to change. For their own level now, they all reason say, man, can I lie detector things, whether I'm going to go sell the match or not.
Well, if Namisha, you gotta check. Even the coach chef gets your own side. Maybe you fit check him out.
The coach supposed enter the whole thing now. Instead supposed go do.
Because now coach, now he even do all the talking. Players now just to come fit complain now.
But some players they're wrong.
Oh shit.
They all wrong. The coach will form your own teaching team.
Even if you remove goalkeeper, they're not going to score.
They're not going to score. Say we die here today. We don't collect the money. We collect the money, and of course we are selling the mulch. So nobody are coming to score in this place. But well. It happen. Now the level of corruption, we don't even enter inside football and stuff. But either way, they will still catch them anyhow. All right, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Now, yesterday we talk about one particular lady.
Yeah.
Where one man decided to say no go marry a wife again.
Yeah, after 3 years.
After 3 years, based on fact, say man, he just wake up one day. No, say wake up one day, say the form he want touchlight in wife since she not agree. Based on say she dey hide, say she not get any things. You understand? So express road no dey there.
Okay.
So she dey lock up. You know, based on yesterday gist. Today now, we can't hear story of person we can't get 2.
2 waiting.
2. How I take explain? I know I call things, but how I take explain now?
Okay, lady we get to.
She get to Transformers.
Wow.
My brother.
Wow.
When some people they find one, person get 2. But they say na disorder somewhere for inside her body, but she dey try hide them since. But her name na Cassandra Bankson. And a famous YouTube blogger and plenty things. But now she don't come out
for YouTube.
Yeah, now popular chick like that.
You just want to use that to take great balls.
No, not be just that one now. This don't be the kind of thing where you want to take lie on top yourself with this one now. Say I get 2 things. And say she express her monthly visitor twice every month.
So imagine what if she won't come born now?
Maybe the picking you decide where you go follow come out. So you know this road.
Too many traffic.
The traffic took place for you. So that traffic come out. No, but now they saw that somewhere. But I don't know that they will be correct now. No, in this day and age, where different things they happen.
They transplant, they do everything.
They fix another head for person body. You don't hear that one? They transplant head. Even this guy don't come out and Bruce Jenner. Yeah, in gist.
Say a
woman in business. He say a real soul na woman right from time. But he can't still, but he like woman. So that means if he dress like woman, but still they touch like woman.
That guy confused.
So what's that call now? You be lesbian, I be waiting.
He say he not be lesbian because the interview when I say he not be lesbian, I say
but he say which shock me. He say in soul na woman soul.
Soul.
So that means people when they're born, you just wake up one day, just carry gun, go to kill people. That means your soul na killer soul. So how you just decide to say, okay, just have a killer soul. I was born this way. Hello. But any which way, this particular chick, she don't come out. She say, if you get your own kind of bodily disorder, no me say you go to shame for her. But speak up about it. You just might find help. All right, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Now, please, for all the ladies that wait outside there, especially the ones that don't marry, you know, social media things, some husbands don't need to find out funny. Some husbands don't need to find some social media over busyness. Say, as a woman, you my wife, not be my wife.
No, just use.
I will use another example. Maybe I imagine one chick na my wife. That's a wrong for it. Say, you know my wife, God forbid. No, but this, okay, maybe I just go to the gist straight.
Okay.
You understand? This particular guy, in wife, they always post pictures on Instagram. She did be active on Facebook and on Twitter. She always did very, very active and all. You know, but one particular day, the guy was very high on drugs.
The guy
just did high on drugs, you understand? And she be don't put some pictures of herself, selfies where she been take on top Instagram. But somehow this guy just look and say, baby, you know say you don't hide now. Say, baby, come on that thing for Instagram. The black say she can't form deleting, can't delete pictures. Before I know anything, the guy don't choke her move. Hold on for neck, they press him, say, yo, you want to say your market for Instagram, Abi? You understand? The guy choke him, and just because she put selfies for Instagram. But now the drugs things, now they push him. As he don't come out, can't talk, say, man, now drugs. Now you say somehow you go either blame him on government, you go blame him on devil, you go blame drugs, or blame the alcohol. Something is always to blame. But he not reach to do all that kind of level. But at the same time, too, I tell most of my lady friends, we don't marry, you know. Time they reach where you can just lock up for those things, you understand? You just lay low on those particular things. You know,
don't need them again.
You know, go tune. If you still need them small, based on business.
What you did before, yeah.
Some they do based on business, you understand? But don't be say any small corner. You became Kardashian. You're anywhere you enter. You know, oftentimes I say, man, if your man not too like him, come to a understanding and then go reason our heart and you decide what to do. All right. So based on that one, we'll come on matter everything we concern the cocoa. All right. Then we'll continue with the show. Okay. So sit back, relax. The GGB chicks that did the building and scuff. I got one guy who can do show himself. All right. We're not go anywhere. The late night show will continue and we is coming back. But they put me inside box. But we inside box together.
What are we doing about?
Shift away.
Go away. I get that right?
No, you're on the other side.
Go away.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now the show yourself time. Of course, quickly, we just do this one before we carry the GGB chicks enter. You know, come run the full show. Okay, but now we get the victim in the building. The victim in the building. Yeah, you know. Yeah. How far now? Why you choose the name The Victim? Are you a victim of something?
No. Actually, it's the rap victim now.
Use your microphone.
Now rap victim actually, but
okay.
Due to the fact say I can't sing somehow.
Yeah.
I know they do rap mainly again.
Okay. So you can't switch somehow.
Yeah, I guess switch.
Okay. But can you say you could explain this name well? I'm a victim of circumstance. Sorry, the victim. You know.
Music.
Okay. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, I was just leaving that for the hand of the victim to victimize you. Okay. We dey come back.
Okay, listen, I don't hustle like person we say gala for go slow. I don't perform drive, but 99% na free shows. Even my close friends say I work, they say I know fi blow. Now they sing for street and they owe me yes, cause I'm the next to blow. Motiji, I be an to Wakamo, one of barracks. But we'll see gun, well if I don't get galans, yeah. They call me that victim. Olivier Lodi beat. Bitch busy loading mixing, Eclipse. I'm in town for a show. She like song of hope. She's feeling the boy and she's dancing my song. I they feel her, She said make we go. I they home alone. She's just a fan, she's in love with my song, but she know what me, Lonely water, anything you want, I go do. Anywhere you want, I go take you. Anything you want, I go give you. Lonely water, anything you want, I go do. Anywhere you want, I go take you. Anything you want, I go give you. Now the way you move your waist, you they make me want to grace. Girl, I want to see your face. And I want to know your place. Let me tell you a story. Hello. Let me tell you a story. Hello. I'm in love with you, lady. Hello. Let me tell you a story. Hello. Something about you, girl. Oh, I get you about, and I swear that you're killing me softly. Something about you, girl. Oh, I get you about, and I swear that you're killing me softly. Yeah, you fine, girl. And I wanna break you, man. Yeah, you sexy, girl. Yeah, you sweet, girl. And I wanna hold your hands, baby, till the end of time. Girl, I wanna make you mine. Now the way you move that waist, you they make me want to grace. Girl, Girl, I want to see your face. And I want to know your place. Let me tell you a story. Hello. Let me tell you a story. Hello. I'm in love with you, lady. Hello. Let me tell you a story. Hello. Baby, shaking one, till no. I wanna hold your hands, I wanna be your home. Baby, would you be my own? Anything you want, I go do. Anywhere you want, I go take you. Anything you want, I go give you.
The victim, baby. The victim. Baby, no this time. The victim. Correct. I love that song. You feel happy?
I feel the job.
For my mind, I did Chucky earlier.
I tell you that.
But The Victim, nice song. Now, your only song be this?
No, I still.
So that was a still day?
Yeah, I still get
Correct. So how they would say reach you now on social media, on Twitter and stuff?
Yeah, you can tweet me. You can tweet me on The Rap Victim, at THARAPVICTIM.
Yeah.
And I just shot my video for Song of Hope.
Okay, for Song of Hope, Abi?
Yeah, Song
All right,
of
so
Hope,
we'll see
Song
that
of
one, Chapley. All right, so The Victim, correct one. Nice song, continue, Not stop, So when they come back now, with the Gigi Big Chicks, and then we'll go yarn every. Okay, so don't go anywhere. We will come back.